float again. Tired? Hey. Stick. See you float with the wind. There we go. Let's wait for the wind. Oh my God, that was a portro. My God, where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'll do better next time. Oh my God, does he ever move? And I got this on video. This is good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Look, he has just been
Are there 2 males?
No, she's a girl.
Uh-oh. There we go. Where's the stick? There by the stick, huh? Not interested in the stick. Oh, that should be good. That should be good. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Oh yeah, he's gonna... And I got everything on YouTube. That's good. Oh, this is good. Oh, she was tired. Now Jake is all the weight now.